Hello everyone, once again I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing next 30 most important questions that are asked in the competitive exam specially related with nursing officer. So now we will be proceeding towards our question section. The first question of today's class is, while a nurse is performing suctioning in a newborn, first she has to suction the mouth, then the nose. You can remember that M is coming first, then the N. So that's why suction first from the mouth, after the nose. Why she is suctioning mouth first or nose later? Because if she is suctioning nose first, then what is going to happen? The sneezing reflex, it is stimulated and it will help in aspiration. So that's why to prevent aspiration of secretion, after aspiration the child may have infection like pneumonia or other ventilator associated pneumonia the child will be having. So to prevent this, the nurse has to suction the mouth first, then the nose. Leading to our next question, term baby is the baby who is born between 37 to 42 weeks of gestation. If the baby is born before 37 weeks, we will call the baby as a preterm baby. If the baby is born after 42 weeks, we will call the baby as a post-term baby. Next question. After birth of a child, there is period of reactivity in which the nurse is observing the activity of a child. The period of reactivity in the newborn is first period of 24 hours after the birth. Period of reactivity has been divided into two parts. One is first period of reactivity. Second is second period of reactivity. First period of reactivity begins with birth and lasts approximately 30 minutes till the child fall into deep sleep. It will be the first period of reactivity. Second period of reactivity, when the child is awakening till and last for 4 to 6 hours, that will be the second period of reactivity. So you can remember that period of reactivity having two phases. One is first period, second period. First period mein child will go into a deep sleep after birth. Second is when the child is awakening, in which we are seeing the activity of the child when the child is awake. That will be the second period of reactivity. Next question. Apgar score was given by Virginia Apgar in 1953. This question has been asked when Apgar score was given in 1953. Apgar score is done at when we are performing. This question is also asked so many times in the exams, AIMS, HSSC. Apgar score is done at 1 minute and at 5 minutes after the birth. If the child vitals are not stable or the parameters of Apgar score are not stable, so you can repeat after 10 minutes also. If the vitals are stable, then provide normal routine care to the child. If the Apgar score of a newborn is 3 after 1 minute, what is the interpretation? Resuscitate the baby. I have kept some few notes regarding the Apgar score for you. We will see them. Apgar score is having 5 parameters and a score of 0, 1 and 2. So the maximum score 5 parameters, maximum score it will be 10 and minimum score it will be 0. It is having 5 parameters. A means appearance, named as Apgar. A is appearance, P is pulse rate, G is grimace, A is activity, R is respiratory effort or respiratory rate. So we have to measure or record it in a score of 0, 1 and 2. If all the scores that is good, that means color is also pink, pulse rate is normal, reflexes are also working, activity or muscle tone is normal and the child respiratory rate is normal, that means the highest score it will be 2. If these are not working, so the score will be 0. If they are having minimal response or little bit response, the score of 1 it will be given. So how you will interpret the Apgar score? If the score between 7 to 10, that is showing that the child is having no respiratory depression. So you have to provide or nurse has to give normal routine care to the child. If the APGAR score is between 4 to 6, that is showing child is having mild respiratory depression. So the child has to kept under observation and provide oxygen. If the score is between 1 to 3, that is showing child is having severe respiratory depression and resuscitate the baby immediately. So what is APGAR score representing? APGAR score is representing the neurological and physical status, respiratory status and cardiac activity of a newborn. So this was related with the APGAR score. Now leading to the next question. Which milk is secreted in the newborn? Why? Because of maternal steroid hormone. So what do you mean by which milk? It is a white viscid secretion from the breast on second or third day onwards. There is swelling over the breast. That's why when we are squeezing the breast, there is a secretion of milk. That we will call that which milk. Because of the maternal steroid hormone, it is secreted in the newborn after second or third day onwards. Leading to the next question. First stool that the child is passing after birth is known as meconium, and meconium is a green-black color stool. Next question. Exclusive breastfeeding should be continued till 6 months of age. Till 6 months of age, mother has to give exclusive breastfeeding to the child. Next question. If the mother is having normal vaginal delivery, breastfeeding should be started within half hour of the birth. If the mother has undergone into cesarean section, to start breastfeeding within 2 hours of the birth. Next question. Which immunoglobulin is present into the breast milk? That is IgA, immunoglobulin A. So you can learn it with the help of Ma. Ma means mother milk is having immunoglobulin A. So this is the question that is frequently asked into the competitive exam. Which immunoglobulin is present into the breast milk? Milk means माँ. माँ के अंदर क्या है? Immunoglobulin A. Next question. Which component of breast milk prevent the child from gastroenteritis? Mother's milk is having lactoferrin. It will inhibit the growth of E. coli bacteria and help in prevention of gastroenteritis. Which bacteria in the breast milk inhibit bacterial growth and making the stool acidic? That is Lactobacillus bifidus. So the stool of a newborn, it is acidic, and Lactobacillus bifidus, it is making the stool acidic and inhibiting growth of bacteria. So the child is protected from the bacterial infection when the child is getting breastfeed. That's why we are telling exclusive breastfeed till 6 months of age is preventing most of the disease in a newborn. Next question. Which amino acid is present in breast milk to prevent the child to get into malaria? PABA, that is para-aminobenzoic acid. This question is also asked in one of the exam, RRB. Next question. Protein present into the breast milk or the human milk is lactalbumin. It is easily digestible protein and it decreases load on the kidney. Lactalbumin protein, it is present in the human milk. Next question. Protein present in the cow milk is casein. Casein protein, it is present into the cow milk and not easily digestible as compared to human milk. That's why we are focusing on the breastfeeding. Next question. Which type of fatty acid is present into the breast milk? That is MUFA, that is monounsaturated fatty acid. What it is doing? It is leading to decreased risk of atherosclerosis or cardiovascular disease or coronary artery disease. Next question. Breast milk works as a natural contraceptive. Next question. This question has been asked so many times. Thick yellow milk that is secreted by the mother during first 3 days of the delivery is known as colostrum. Colostrum is having high amount of immunoglobulin A and fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Next question. the sequence of the milk that is secreted by the mother is first 3 days the mother will be secreting colostrum. Colostrum it is secreted from first 3 days, having high amount of antibodies, fat and vitamin soluble. On 4th day till 14th day, the consistency of the milk it is changing. So that's why we will call as transitional milk. After then mature milk, it is thin and watery. Then foremilk, hindmilk. Foremilk starting of the feeding it is secreted. That is foremilk, and it is having high amount of protein, sugar, vitamin and water. Hindmilk at the end of the feeding it is secreted and high amount of fat. So which milk satisfy hunger of the baby? That is hind milk. Which milk satisfy thirst? That is foremilk. Next question. Milk secreting hormone is prolactin, or milk production hormone is also prolactin. Milk ejecting hormone, that is oxytocin, or this we will call as let down reflex hormone is also oxytocin. Next question. Prolactin hormone is released from anterior pituitary, while oxytocin is released from posterior pituitary. Drug of choice to decrease milk secretion is bromocriptine. If the mother is having excessive amount of breast milk, to reduce or to decrease the secretion, or mother is having some issue, mother don't want to give breastfeeding, for example mother is having STD or some other infection, so to suppress the milk, the drug that is giving, that is bromocriptine. What it is doing, it is increasing secretion of dopamine, and dopamine is working as a prolactin inhibiting hormone. So if the mother is having less milk, the drug of choice to increase milk secretion is metoclopramide. So this all was related with next 30 question of my today's class. Thank you class. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.